We're on the east side of Dothan, Alabama in the Hidden Lake East neighborhood. What a great spot with so many amenities right down the street from Southeast Health and ACOM. You've got a green space, a lake, park, it's a sidewalk community, and so much more. Today we're showing you this beautiful home in Hidden Lake East. The bright and open floor plan make you feel right at home. This home sets up great for entertaining, and this kitchen provides for a great place to cook and hang out. You will notice a lot of upgrades throughout this entire home. This home is move-in ready. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,100 square feet. You got LVP and carpet throughout, granite countertops. So many upgrades make this home unique. Give me a call, David Ridley with eXp Realty. I'd love to show it to you.